Friends, welcome to the .NET interview community. I'm your host Nirbhay Chauhan, a developer, author, and a trainer passionate about leveling up the skills. Whether you are gearing up for an interview or simply want to deepen your understanding of the .NET technologies, you have come to the right place. I have authored several interview preparation books which are available on Amazon, and the links of these books are given below in the description box. So let's dive into today's question and see how we can tackle it together. So friends, our today's question is, what is the .NET Framework Class Library? That is also popularly known as FCL. So as in our previous examples and questions, we have learned about the .NET Framework and all the components of the .NET Framework, which comprises and builds up the .NET Framework. So let's understand the Framework Class Library. It's essentially a vast of reusable code that provides developer a wide range of pre-built functionality. Also, think it like that. It's a toolbox fitted with ready to use tools. Instead of reinventing the wheel of common tasks, developer can leverage the FCL for their development. And framework class library is a crucial component of the .NET framework. Now, let's understand which or what can be a common task that a developer can leverage with the help of FCL. In the framework class library, we can use it for the output operation like reading and writing files, working with the stream, interacting with the file system. The data structure, using the collections like list, array, dictionary, queues to organize and manage data. Then the networking part, where we can communicate to other computer or over the network and sending and receiving the data. Then we have the security implements and method to protect our application and user data. Then we have threading. It creates and manage multiple threads of execution for improved performance, so that we can interact or use multiple threads and make our application much more faster and multitasking. Then we have XML processing, working with the XML document, parsing and transforming the data. And the graphics and multimedia, creating better user interfaces, handling images and working with audio and video. Then we have database access, like connecting to the database, executing queries and retrieving data. So these are some of the common class libraries that we can get handy as a tool for the common task, and then we can create a application out of it which will be focused on more on your business requirements. Then you are being worried about handling all these things, all the basic framework classes, and doing the task yourself. So that's where the framework class library comes very useful, and using them to create a very robust application. Now, using the framework class library, what kind of applications can be built in .NET framework? We can create a console application that can be an exe, which will be performing some task. It will be taking some command line argument, or it will be simply executing by the task scheduler or any job scheduler, and then the task can be executed with the help of console or the command, or it can be a service, or it can be in your user interacted application as well. Then we have Windows application, that is a UI application like our web browsers or any other Windows application which we use, that can be created with the help of framework class library. The next is web application. We can create multiple websites or any web application services or cloud-based native API interacting languages or applications, and we can connect it using the web interface. And then we can have a mobile application, can also be built using the framework class library. popularly known as Xamarin was one of the example, and then the other now recently is coming as MAUI, that is multiple application UI framework. So these kind of framework class libraries are very useful in building the application and focusing on the business needs rather than thinking about the underlying uh, operating systems, how we are going to interact with the other systems. Now comment your answers. Can I create a mix application using the FCL? So let's take an example of an ERP solution, that is enterprise solution, where we will be having a desktop application and the application, and then you have a motion or a shorter script version for the mobile. So these kind of application are a mixed application where every application will be performing its own task, and then a mix input output is being used to cater the business needs. Answers and let us know if we can create a mix application using the FCL or not. There you have it. I hope you have gained some valuable insight from this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on our latest content. And if you have any questions or want to discuss further, feel free to leave a comment below. Plus, let's connect. Follow me on Medium and LinkedIn for exclusive content. The link is given below in the description box. See you in the next video.